Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. We have a new product called Thermal Gel Polish, and today I will show you how to apply it and how it works. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of clear builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, making sure it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail, as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Using Thermal Bliss, apply 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Make sure to cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. When the temperature is cold, Thermal Bliss turns into a dark blue glitter. And when the temperature is warm, Thermal Bliss will turn into a light blue glitter. Thanks for watching!